here's one of the kiwi fruit fields that I take care of, located in Nakai, which is part of Kanagawa Prefecture. To this farm work is just to break these wood branches, the branches of kiwi fruits into pieces with wood chipper. There's so many mountains of wood kiwi fruit branches right here. So I have to perfectly break these into pieces with wood chipper, but there's one problem right here. This is the wood chipper that I use. This is self-propelled wood chipper, which I'm using right now. But there's one problem right here, because you see very thick branch is stuck inside of the machine. And this machine doesn't really work at the moment. So I have to repair this at the moment. But here is really countryside, and I can't call someone who can fix this machine right now. So I'm really in trouble. How I can solve this trouble? I am in the middle mountain, and here I can see hardly the people coming here, because the height of this place is really high, and the cars doesn't come into this place because there's no width that car can come through. So I am really in trouble. How I can solve this problem? Oh my gosh! Somehow I just repair by myself, but I don't have a repair kit. I don't have a wrench or something like that. Oh my god! Oh my god! I don't know how to do this. Yeah. I somehow solved this problem. Thank you very much.